guys, my name is Mercedes and welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel where I talk about stuff that I love.
Today we'll be looking at a behind the scenes of how I made the welcome video for my YouTube channel. So for those of you who have known me for a long time, I have a lot of experience doing indie music videos because I pursued a career for a very long time as an indie music artist. If you find this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. So first, when I'm planning a music video shoot, I like to think about what kind of natural surroundings I already have at my disposal and how I can utilize them. And then I think of a fun and creative way to incorporate them into the video. So we own an Aston Martin, always getting packages in the mail, and I'll be filming most of my YouTube videos right here in my sewing room. I used all of those things in my video. As for filming equipment and lighting equipment, I have the sun outside and my iPhone. So that's what we used. Then I like to listen to my song over and over and over and over again. And I'm really visualizing what I can see happening during the video during certain parts of the song. So this is sort of the beginning imaginings of my storyboard. Since this is an intro video for my YouTube channel, I wanted to make sure that I depicted certain things in it, which is product reviews and DIYs. And the ukulele scene at the end is honestly just for fun because I just really love the ukulele lately. The ukulele lately? Yeah, I really love it. So next I grab a pen and paper and I draw out my storyboard. A storyboard is a visual representation of your music video and like how you see it in your mind's eye. I've learned from personal experience that this piece of the puzzle is especially important if you're working with a film crew or even just your friend who's doing the filming for you on their iPhone, because it really helps to make sure that you're both on the same page during the filming as far as how you both see the shots. Then I draw each scene frame by frame as it lines up with my lyrics, imagining transitions and writing them down. And then I go through my storyboard and take note of how many different scenes there are, and I create what's called a shot list. A shot list is a list of scenes by location and shot type. This ensures that I don't forget anything while filming and also helps to keep everything on schedule. Depending on how complex of a shoot I have planned, I'll have things written down like fire pit scene, long steady shot on the tripod, and then we're gonna also do a mid-moving shot, and then we're also gonna do a close-up on the tripod. Or like for this music video, I had things like front yard, one take moving mid shot coming in for close-up on the snap. So different angles and takes of the same scene give me plenty to work with during the editing process. Then finally, it's time to get to filming. And most importantly, having fun while I'm at it. My least favorite music videos were the ones where I was super stressed, organizing a lot of extras, film crew, running behind schedule, and spending a lot of money. They're my least favorite because you could see it all over my face during the final product. The best ones were when it was low budget, low stress, and high fun. I find the more fun that I have, the more fun the finished product is, and the more fun it is to watch and share later. So the best part about filming like a super low budget indie music video is that you can take your time and you can have fun and you can film in sections depending on the weather, your mood, you know, anything, fill in the blank. Like for example, we waited a whole week for the perfect sunset in the backyard before we did the ukulele scene because I just really wanted that nice golden aura. After filming, I always make sure that I upload all of my video files onto my laptop so that I have a second copy of them just in case I accidentally delete something, because it has happened. Then I go through and I watch every single one of the clips, making note of which are my favorites, which I don't like at all, and then I have a pretty good set of notes to go off of when I get to the editing process. Then finally, we're up to editing. This is where my storyboard comes into play one more time. Storyboard is really useful and I think super important, and if you're not storyboarding your music videos, then you should start. So I use my storyboard to roughly map out and place the clips in my first draft of editing. Once I get everything kind of roughly laid out and sequentially looking how I want it to look, then I go in and I fine tune and I get the lips to sync up with the lyrics. And this is a little bit difficult in iMovie. I haven't found like an easy way to do this yet, so if you know of an easier way, please let me know. I have only ever used iMovie to do any kind of video editing. You know, it's a free software, it's at my disposal. Once again, using things that are at my disposal. And depending on what kind of video I'm doing, sometimes I'll do text overlays. In this video, I really wanted everyone to be able to understand my lyrics because they literally describe exactly what my channel is about, and it's my welcome video. So even if someone couldn't hear it, I wanted them to be able to visually see it. I like to make my text overlays using PicMonkey because I have more control than in iMovie, but this seems like it's a whole other tutorial and this video is already getting kind of long. So if you guys would like more info on that, then please leave a comment below because I'd be happy to give you a tutorial on how I do my text overlays. And that's it. So I am going to play for you the finished product that is the intro/welcome video to my channel, and I hope you guys have as much fun watching it as I had making it. Well, as we had making it, because my boyfriend did all the filming. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.